Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Rafat, and we have to discuss 10 top most important MCQs on harmonic progression, that is HP in short, first year. So here H be the harmonic mean between A and B, then H is equals to, we have a basic formula for single harmonic mean is 2AB upon A plus B. Now come to the next MCQs here. The harmonic mean between 2 and 5. So we know that harmonic mean is 2AB over A plus B. So here 2AB over A plus B. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 over 7. So the correct option is D, 20 over 7 of the single harmonic progression, harmonic mean. If A, B, C are in HP, then 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C are in AP. They are reciprocal to each other. Now come to the next MCQs. If A, G, H are respectively arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean between A and B, then G square will be equals to AH. The A option is correct in this situation here. Now come to the fifth MCQs. A, G, H, again AP, GP and HP respectively between A and B, then A will arithmetic mean will be greater than geometric mean will be greater than harmonic mean. So the D option is correct for fifth MCQs here. Now come to the sixth MCQs. The harmonic mean between P and Q. So 2PQ over P plus Q will be the correct option. The single harmonic mean between P and Q will be equals to 2PQ upon P plus Q. The sixth part of 6C MCQs will be correct. Harmonic progression is the reciprocal of arithmetic progression. They are reciprocal to each other. Now a very important MCQs, 1 over x minus 1 over 1 upon 3 are in HP, then find out the value. So we have to find out their reciprocal. So they will be in AP. So x minus 1 will be equal to 3 minus x minus 1. So this is x minus 2, 3 minus x plus 1. So this is 2x and 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 3s are 6. So 6 in AP and 1 upon 3 will be in HP. So 1 upon 3, the correct option is D. 1 upon 3 is the value of x. D option is correct for the 8th MCQs here. Again here, the between harmonic progression between P and Q will be equals to 2PQ upon P plus Q. The correct option is A here. The reciprocal of AP, it is called the harmonic progression. They are reciprocal to each other. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel, Math with Yasir Rafat. Thank you so much. Allah.